This is how Deadmau5 spends his millions. Joel Zimmerman, famously known as Deadmau5, is not just a world-renowned electronic music producer and DJ, but also one of the wealthiest figures in the music industry. With a career spanning decades, he has accumulated a staggering fortune. However, what sets Deadmau5 apart from other artists is not just his musical talent but also his unique approach to spending his millions. In this in-depth exploration, we'll unravel how Deadmau5 chooses to spend his wealth, shedding light on his lavish lifestyle, entrepreneurial ventures, and philanthropic endeavors. Music production and studio equipment. Deadmau5's dedication to his craft is evident in his commitment to cutting-edge music production. He invests a substantial portion of his fortune in state-of-the-art studio equipment, from high-end synthesizers and mixing consoles to top-notch software and sound engineering tools. His quest for sonic perfection drives him to explore new technologies continually. Joel's studio, known as the Mau5 Trap, is a mecca for music enthusiasts. It is equipped with an array of vintage and modern gear, ensuring that every track he produces meets his exacting standards. This substantial investment in his studio setup reflects Deadmau5's relentless pursuit of innovation and quality in his music, setting him apart as a true maestro of electronic soundscapes. Iconic headgear and stage production. Deadmau5 is instantly recognizable by his iconic mouse head helmet, a symbol of his brand. This eye-catching headgear isn't just a fashion statement. It's an integral part of his stage persona and the immersive concert experiences he delivers to his fans. Building and maintaining these distinctive headpieces is no small feat. Deadmau5 has spent a significant portion of his wealth perfecting the design, functionality, and visual appeal of his helmets. Each one is a marvel of technology, with intricate LED displays and built-in cameras, allowing audiences to see the world from his unique perspective. Beyond the helmet, Deadmau5 invests heavily in stage production, creating awe-inspiring visuals, lighting, and special effects to elevate his live performances into otherworldly experiences. This dedication to providing unforgettable shows has solidified his status as an electronic music icon. Real estate investments. Deadmau5's opulent lifestyle extends to his real estate investments. He owns several luxurious properties, including a stunning mansion in Ontario, Canada. His homes are a testament to his appreciation for modern architecture and design, featuring state-of-the-art amenities and breathtaking views. In 2020, Deadmau5 made headlines when he purchased a $5 million mansion in Los Angeles, complete with a custom-built studio and a car showroom for his impressive collection of exotic cars. His investments in real estate reflect his desire for both comfort and creative inspiration. Beyond personal properties, Deadmau5 has also ventured into the business of real estate development. He invested in a project called Pura Vida to create high-end living spaces, showcasing his entrepreneurial spirit. Luxury car collection. Deadmau5 is renowned for his love of exotic cars. His garage houses an impressive collection of rare and high-performance vehicles, including a McLaren P1, Lamborghini Huracan, and a Bakemono, among others. His fascination with cars extends beyond mere ownership. He often shares his passion for automotive technology through his YouTube channel, where he reviews and discusses the features of his latest acquisitions. His enthusiasm for cars is palpable, and he doesn't hesitate to invest a substantial portion of his wealth in expanding his collection. Deadmau5's car collection is a testament to his love for innovation and engineering excellence, mirroring his approach to music production. Entrepreneurial ventures. Beyond music, Deadmau5 has ventured into the world of entrepreneurship. He co-founded the independent record label Mau5 Trap, which has become a platform for nurturing emerging electronic music talent. In 2015, Deadmau5 launched his own subscription-based music streaming service called Mau5Trap.tv, providing exclusive content and behind-the-scenes access to fans. His entrepreneurial spirit has also led to collaborations with technology companies such as NVIDIA, where he created a virtual reality VR game, Absolute Deadmau5, offering fans a unique interactive experience. These ventures reflect Deadmau5's willingness to explore new horizons and leverage his brand beyond music, solidifying his position as a forward-thinking artist and businessman. Philanthropic initiatives. Despite his extravagant lifestyle and sizable investments, Deadmau5 is not detached from the world's challenges. He has actively participated in charitable endeavors, including fundraising for organizations like Extra Life, a charity supporting children's hospitals. Deadmau5 has used his influence and platform to support causes close to his heart, demonstrating a sense of social responsibility. His philanthropic efforts underscore his commitment to making a positive impact beyond the realm of music and entertainment. Tech gadgets and gadgets. Deadmau5's fascination with technology extends beyond music production. He's an avid collector of high-tech gadgets and toys. From drones and virtual reality headsets to gaming consoles and cutting-edge computers, he invests in the latest innovations to satiate his tech curiosity. His penchant for gadgets isn't just for personal amusement. It often influences his music production and live performances. He incorporates technology in innovative ways to enhance the overall experience for his fans. Lavish entertainment and social circles. Deadmau5's extravagant lifestyle extends to his social engagements and entertainment choices. He frequents some of the world's most exclusive clubs, restaurants, and events. His affinity for luxury extends to dining experiences at Michelin-starred restaurants and lavish parties, often shared with fellow celebrities and industry insiders. As a prominent figure in the music world, Deadmau5 is part of a global social circle that includes fellow artists, producers, and influential personalities. These connections not only offer him access to exclusive events, but also provide opportunities for collaborations and creative partnerships. His extravagant entertainment choices and social engagements are a testament to his commitment to living life to the fullest and enjoying the fruits of his labor. Financial investments and portfolio management. Deadmau5's wealth is not just a result of his music career. It's also a product of astute financial investments and portfolio management. Like many high-net-worth individuals, he entrusts his wealth to financial advisors and investment professionals who help him grow and diversify his assets. Beyond traditional investments, Deadmau5 has shown an interest in cryptocurrency, a field known for its volatility and potential for substantial returns. His willingness to explore new investment avenues aligns with his appetite for risk and innovation. Through careful financial planning and strategic investments, Deadmau5 continues to expand his wealth and secure his financial future. Legacy and creative projects. Beyond his extravagant expenditures, Deadmau5 is acutely aware of the importance of leaving a lasting legacy. He invests in creative projects and collaborations that transcend the realm of music. Whether it's composing scores for video games, creating immersive virtual reality experiences, or collaborating with visual artists, he seeks to push artistic boundaries. Deadmau5's desire to explore diverse creative avenues allows him to leave a lasting imprint on the world of entertainment and technology. His legacy is not confined to his music, but extends to the innovative projects and experiences he pioneers. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.